Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to get free spins on Fire Kirin. So without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Register an account. Create a new player account with your details. New users may be rewarded with free spins or other welcome bonuses after signing up. Step 2. Claim welcome bonuses. Some platforms offer free spins as a part of their welcome package. After signing up, check your inbox or bonus section to claim them if available. Step 3. Log in daily. Fire Kirin often rewards players with daily bonuses, which sometimes includes free spins. Make login in a daily habit to collect these rewards. Step 4. Participate in in-app events. Keep an eye out for limited time events and seasonal promotions. These events often include tasks or challenges that reward you with free spins upon completion. Step 5. Check the promotion or bonus tab. Within the app, there is usually a bonus, event, or promotion section. Free spins might be available here, especially during special promotions. Step 6. Join a trusted host or agent. Some Fire Killing games are hosted by third-party agents or operators. These hosts may offer free spins to new players or during special promos. Step 7. Refer friends. Occasionally, referral programs allow you to earn rewards like free spins when your friends sign up and play using your referral code. And that's how you can get free spins on Fire Kirin.